everyone, this is Kiko Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa performance naman. Actually, this is a birthday celebration of Tito Sen. Tito Sen, happiest birthday to you. So this is the performance of Karen, Maine, Miles, and Raisa. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong kakantahin nila kasi this is an on-the-spot reaction and I'm really excited. So wala si Bimbi today kasi nga tape sila. Si Raisa nasa Hong Kong pero dito ngayon. Pero tape ito. Nandito ngayon si Raisa sa Itbulaga. So, I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out.
Singing Queens. Eto
Singing
na, next song naman natin
Queens.
mga Dabarkads. Isa
Ano?
sa mga kinakanta ni Tito Sento. Kasi si
Ano?
Tito Sen, Gen Z at heart.
Ay, talaga ba?
Eto sina Karen, Miles, and Riza, and Maine for
Oh.
Die With A Smile.
Ay, tawag. Tawag, totoo ba? Bruno Mars? Totoo ba? Ay,
I just woke up from a dream
ganda talaga ng boses ni ano, no?
tonight to say goodbye.
Totoo ba? Die With A Smile? Ang taas nito, ha?
But since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where
Wow! The harmonization. Actually, isa sa mga importante talaga, isa sa mga importante na sa mga singers, lalo na kung group, ako very particular talaga ako dyan eh. Kahit sabihin natin na hindi sila pro singer lahat, but Karen is a pro singer, isn't it? Kasi nagtatawag ng tanghalan siya eh. Kahit sabihin natin na hindi sila pro singer lahat, but they can do some harmonization. Right? The harmonies is giving. This is one thing that I really love about Itbulaga. Kaya nga nasasabi ko minsan, actually lately ko lang talaga narealize, sabi ko, ay grabe, napaka-talented pala, no? Napaka-jack of all trades pala ng, what do you call this? Ng mga host ng Itbulaga. Kasi they can sing, they can dance, they can act as well. Lately ko lang kasi, hindi pa sabi ko sa inyo, naging Dabarkads lang talaga ako because of Roel Carino and Jerome Ebardome. And right after that, nadagdagan na. Nagiging ano na ako, nagiging Yul and Karen. Tapos nagiging sino pa, yung maybe. Ayan, ang dami na. Halos lahat love ko na din. Napapabayaan ko na ang It's Showtime. Hindi na ako nakakagawa ng reaction video sa It's Showtime because of Dabarkads for today's video. Ay, tama ba yun? Anyways, ang ganda ng harmonies doon. Wait, ulitin natin.
For
Ulitin
Die
natin.
With A Smile.
Try natin.
Support kami sa'yo, Karen.
Support kami sa'yo, Karen. Bali harmonization lang talaga yung gagawin pala rin na Karen and ano. Ay,
I just woke up from a dream
ganda ng boses ni Karen.
to say goodbye. I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized
Harmonies.
wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night.
Let's take it the last night.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Okay.
The party was over and our time on earth was through. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world
Okay.
was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Taray, atake. Raisa, para kanino yan? Charis. Karen, para kanino yung kinakanta natin dyan for today's video? Yung totoo. Charis. Diba? Ay, tapos na? Ay, di pa. Taray.
I wanna be next to you.
Ay, taray.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Taray naman, Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars naman palang atake, but I really love the harmonization talaga. Can we just repeat? Ay, kumanta pa. Gusto ko pang si Yul kaya kumanta.
Tito Sen.
Ito yung singing
Ay, sa
beast.
gilid lang po.
Patingin natin. Ay, sa gilid lang po. Pakinggan natin yung singing beast. Ay, singing queen pala. Ay, ito talaga mga pro.
Subukan natin
Eto talaga sila mga pro.
Tayo'y magsama, subukan natin
Okay.
ito. Kiss, kiss, let's go dancing. Kiss, kiss, gawin na natin.
Ay, kiss.
Sabay na tayo nang sumunod
So, yung mga kinakanta nila kay Tito Sen yan lahat. Tama. I wanna dance. Okay. In fairness, maganda din yung boses nila, no? O kasi mga pro nga ni. Ano ba yan?
Thank you, Dapper Cat.
Grabe naman. Bitin. Bitin naman. Si Queens. Eto na, next song naman natin mga Dabar Cats.
Eto na,
Isa sa mga
panoorin ulit
kinakanta ni
natin.
Tito Sen
Panoorin
to.
ulit
Kasi
natin
si Tito
to.
Sen, Gen Z
Gen
at
Z.
heart.
Gen Z
Eto
at
na, sina
heart.
Karen, Miles,
Taray.
and Riza, and Maine for Die With A Smile.
Sila talaga sila talaga yung tatlo, no? Minsan talaga sinasama si Karen. Taray, Bruno Mars, nagulat ako. Totoo ba?
I just woke up from a dream.
I just woke up from a dream. Tama ba yun? Harmonies. The harmonization is giving. I love it. Ganda ng part na yan. The feelings, the emotion. Si Raisa. Lalaro ni Raisa. Okay. May emotion talaga sila, mami, sa totoo lang. Pero bitin ako sa kanta nila. Nabitin ako sa kanta nila. Okay. Happy birthday to Sen. Alright. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video. The performance sa itinagawa ni Karen, Mini, Miles, and Riza. This is Keep of Vlogs and see you on the next vlog.
Chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the